Paulo Avelino is a Filipino actor, singer, model and film producer. Avelino was born on May 13, 1988 in Baguio, Philippines. He is the son of Roberto Puigcerver Avelino, an influential Spanish-Filipino from Calbayog, Western Samar and Jennilyn Lingbanan. He is a grandson of Baltazar Avelino, former governor of Samar, and a great-grandson of former Senate President Jose Avelino. He has three siblings, Honey, Gabriel and Angela. He is the second oldest of his siblings. Paulo Avelino was born and raised from a prominent family in Baguio, Philippines. In May 2018, Avelino began a relationship with Jennilyn, a Filipino-Australian model. In 2022, Avelino starred in Marry Me, Marry You Season 2 and Andre, Flower of Evil, a Philippine drama television series loosely based on the 2020 South Korean drama series of the same title. In the present, he is filming his new teleseries with Kim Chu and Maricel Soriano titled Lingbanan, to be seen and watched on the first half of 2023. In 2021, Avelino starred with ABS-CBN newcomer Jennilyn in the primetime soap opera series Marry Me, Marry You as Andre. In 2018, Avelino starred in an afternoon series Asintado as Jill Ozeda and in the primetime soap opera The General's Daughter as Franco Segismundo. He also top-billed the two movies Castle, a 2018 Filipino romance drama film starring Bea Alonzo, Derek Ramsey and Paulo Avelino. The film was directed by Ruel S. Beani and produced by Star Cinema and Goyo. The Boy General or simply Goyo is a 2018 Philippine epic war drama film. In 2016, he starred in FPJ's Ang Provinciano, a 2015 Philippine action drama television series under ABS-CBN Entertainment as one of the guest antagonists. He also top-billed the movie The Unmarried Wife, a 2016 Filipino romance drama film starring Angelica Paganiban, Ding Dong Dantes and himself. In the 2013 Metro Manila Film Festival, Avelino appeared in two entries, a lead role on Star Cinema's horror film Peg Peg. His first album, Paulo Avelino, was released by Universal Records on October 1, 2012. It comprises 6 covers of OPM classic hits plus instrumental versions of each track. Avelino released a music video for his second single, a cover of Almid's Your Love. In mid-2011, Avelino transferred to ABS-CBN, known as the Kappa Media Network. He told ABS-CBN News that he wanted to get out of his comfort zone and at the same time reinvent himself as an actor. His first project as a Kappa Media actor was in a lead role alongside Lavi Poi on Regal Films as Wang. He also participated in Yesterday, Today, Tomorrow and entry to the 2011 Metro Manila Film Festival. He appeared for the first time in an ABS-CBN show through a guest role in 100 Days to Heaven, where he took the role of a rich executive named Teddy Ledesma alongside veteran actor Philip Salvador.